Look at this great lobster I have for you. We have this kind of round shape here. It's kind of like a big teardrop shape, and then we've got claws, arms, legs, his body, and lots of colors, lots of places for color. Ready? Let's draw a lobster. Okay, now I'm going to start my lobster by right in here, I'm going to put the body on. So it kind of goes down, down, kind of it's a pointy top, but this part goes straight at the bottom because we're going to connect it to his body. Okay, now we're going to go down, down, and straighten it out. Now this part is going to have this middle petal, kind of looks like 3 petals that are his tail. We're going to do the middle one first. This side overlaps here, and this side overlaps here. So we have our head, our body, our tail. Now the middle section divides into 4. So 1, then we have 2 pieces, then we're going to do it again. Now we have 4ths. Okay? Now he absolutely needs his claws. So way up high, we're going to have this round shape that is his claw. See, it's real similar to his body shape. And now we need one on this side. Whoa, nice and big. But we have to connect it to his body. So we're going to go right about the middle on both sides. Ready? Out, connect. And they're the same thing, but just that second line. Now on this side, out, connect, out, connect. Good. Now the claws can open. So we're going to start right at the top and put this curved line going down. Right at the top, curved line going down. There. Mine has a little wiggle in it. That's okay. And, oh, you know what else? We need 2 eyes and these like little antenna pieces coming up. And now we got to get some legs on, but the legs have to fit right here. We've got to fit 3 legs on each side. So whenever I have to 3, I always start with the middle one because then I know that I'm going to leave room right above and below for the other one. So now we do the top one, make it just as long as that bottom one. And now we do the under one, the one right at the bottom there. Good. And I'm going to turn my paper. And back up here, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to start with my middle one. Make a match, about the same size as the other side. And then my third one, number 3. Now, these are legs, and they're going to bend, plus I want places for color. So I'm going to put little lines, just maybe for 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, on each side, but the same. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that is my lobster. Now I want to color him. Ready, go.